Write me a song, she said, that's more lovely than a rose. Sing it to me in the darkness when I am lost, lonely and cold. Write me a song, she said, it's longer than the sky. One that'll keep you singing, boy, that'll keep you by my side. So I sang that I love you. Can't you hear me? That's all I ever sing. I love you. Can't you hear me? That's all I ever sing. And I know it often seems we've such a long time to go. When you push me and I pull you someplace I never really wanted to show you. And at these times, you know, I question if we were even on the same side. Oh, it's funny how it all turns different when we learn how easy it is for us to lie. Still I sing that I love you. Can't you hear me? That's all I ever sing. I love you. Can't you hear me? That's all I ever sing. Oh, I'm not this flesh, I'm just a backseat driver. I'm not a moral man, but I got my limit. Do you know where I've come from? I've been away from home so long. Sometimes I stop, I think about things like the good times when we thought we had wings. And I know that I could reach the sky. Oh yeah, I'd be flying, baby, if you would be by my side on this night. Be mine till the end of time. And so I sang her that song just like she asked me, and I sang it out with all of my soul, and it burned a place in my heart for her that'll go wherever I go. And I know she tells me that these times often change me. They go running down that long old road back home, or leaving me here just on my lonesome with just this song to call my own. Still I sing it because I love the music, baby. It's this song that sings to me, the melody that hides the key I seek to run the words in harmony and rhyme the time into sublime moments of memory rushing by that grabs me by my soul and cry. Into the dark can be life. We're all sparks of light and love, reaching out into the night. We're reaching out, we're holding tight. The feeling's cutting deep and clear, even after all these years. And on the tide line of my heart, you are still my high water mark. And I love you. Can't you hear me?